Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking the objective and audience. Once that's fixed, write a tight 15 to 30-second outline that leads to one clear CTA. Next, set your shot. Use a tripod, external mic, and soft LED to ensure consistent audio and lighting. Then prepare assets, logo, 3 product shots, and captions. Make sure to test a 10-second clip for audio levels and framing. If it reads poorly, fix mic placement before moving on to full takes. You now execute the shoot with intentional variety. Capture close, medium, and wide takes for each beat, and label files as you go so editing is fast. Once done with main plates, roll B-roll, hands, details, and environment to cover jump cuts and emphasize features. While shooting, speak the benefit lines on camera for audio reference, then record separate clean VO. Make sure to keep micro scenes short and rhythmic. They create urgency and improve attention. You assemble the edit by placing the strongest hook in the first 3 seconds, then cut to proof and the CTA. Keep total length 15 to 30 seconds for most platforms. Next, balance audio, color grade for skin tones, and add captions. Export using H.264 or HEVC with platform bitrates. Once live, run 2 variants for 3 to 5 days and monitor CTR, CPM, and conversions. If performance stalls, swap the opening 3 seconds or simplify the CTA. That fixes most engagement issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.